Question number 36 of part test 1 is from fluid mechanics, from topic of flow through pipes. In this question it is given that a 0.3 meter dia pipe is 2340 meter long and it is connected the two reservoirs whose surface, these reservoirs are not that beautiful, but their surfaces are separated by distance of 72 meter and pipe is like this. The discharge through this pipe is 0.212 meter cube per second, and after accounting for entry loss, which is 0.5 v square by 2g, accounting for friction loss is FLV square by 2gd, and accounting for exit loss, which is v square by 2g. Now this Q is after accounting these three losses. Now in case 2, what happens that, say this is pipe, this is again 72 meter, a parallel pipe of same diameter is laid to the length of 1170 meter. This is 1170 meter. So this remaining will be 1170 meter. Now it is asked that what is the percentage change in discharge. Now for case 1 we know Q. For case 2 let's calculate Q. Now for pipe we know delta HF is difference, where delta HF is total head loss through pipe from point A to B is equal to difference in level of water in two reservoirs, that is 72 meter. Now 0.5 v square by 2g plus, first of all I am writing it for initial portion, that is A, B, let's say this is C. I am writing it for AC. FLV, FL is 1170 meter, v square by 2g, and D is given as 0.3 meter plus. Now here we are using two pipes each of diameter D, so discharge through this section has to be same through this complete section, or we can say that since diameter is same, if here flow velocity is V, here velocity will be V by 2 and here velocity will be V by 2, so that at this section, this complete section, section 2 and section 1 continuity equation is satisfied. So for portion between C and B, head loss will be F into 1170, L V will be V by 2 square by 2g into 0.3. Please note that I am not writing this head loss twice because these two pipes are in parallel, so head loss through them will be same and will be accounted only once. So this term for portion CB will come only once for any of these two pipes, plus exit loss, which is v square by 2g, and this should be equal to 72. Upon solving for V comes out to be 3.79 meter per second, and using this V, Q can be calculated as A into V, that is pi by 4 into 0.3 square into 3.79, which comes out to be 0.268 meter cube per second. So we know final discharge, we know initial discharge. We can easily calculate percentage change in discharge, which comes out as increase of 26%. So correct answer for question number 36 is 26%, which is option C.